Welcome to the Learning Management System tutorial for students. How to log in to the Learning Management System. Go to the Moorish College website. In the breadcrumb bar, click on the My Haunted Web link. After you have clicked on the My Haunted Web link, you will get a dialog box directing you to a portal, not on the website. Please click on this hyperlink to access the Learning Management System. After you have clicked on the My Haunted Web link, the Learning Management System landing page will appear. Now you are ready to log in with your user's name and password. Type in your user's name and password just like it was given to you. After you have typed in your login information, click the yellow login button to access the Learning Management System. Now that you are inside the Learning Management System, the first page you will see is the home page. Take a minute to view the home page screen. There are several tabs, quick links, and other resource links that you can explore. How to view your course schedule. Once you are in the Learning Management System portal, scroll down to the heading section named Course Schedule Search. Here you will be able to view the courses that you are currently enrolled in for the fall semester. If you cannot view your fall course schedule, just click on the Course Search link. Its portal page will appear. Change the course search term to the 2020-21 fall and click the search button. Now you will be able to view your fall course schedule. How to view your admission status, your application progress, your financial awards, and your document tracking. Click on the Candidate tab at the top of the Learning Management System portal page. The Candidate portal page will appear. You can view your application status, your admission status, your financial aid awards, and your financial aid document tracking. Just click on one of the heading sublinks that you would like to view. Depending on the link that was chosen, another portal page will appear with your information. That's all, students. There will be future tutorial videos on other features of the Learning Management System at a later date. How to access your course grades and assignments, how to access your course needs and degree audit, how to view your unofficial transcript. Thank you for watching. Haunted Strong.